Hello, I'm glad you could join me. In this video, we're going to consider the following linear inequality. Which of the following represents all possible values of x? Well, when we write the problem, the idea is that we'd get the x's on one side of the problem. When we do that, that clears out. There's a 1 in front of that because how many x's do you have there? 1x. Even if it didn't have the 1 there, you still have 1x. And then we want to get the numbers on the other side. Now 3 times some number is greater than or equal to 6. I can divide through by 3 to figure out what number that is. I get x is greater than or equal to 2. Thanks for watching.